How to eat flax seeds, the right way, and what you must avoid. Never eat flax seeds like this. You could be blocking nutrients, messing with your digestion, or even risking hormone imbalances without even realizing it. Most people eat them the wrong way. Let me show you how to fix it. Flax seeds are everywhere, in smoothies, protein bars, even baked into your favorite healthy snacks. But here's the deal, eating them raw or tossing them into recipes without knowing what you're doing can actually do more harm than good. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to eat flax seeds the right way to absorb their full benefits, and the biggest mistakes that might be cancelling them out. So, what's the real issue? Most people think that just adding flax seeds into your meals is enough. Wrong. Flax seeds are incredibly rich in nutrients, especially omega-3s, lignans, and fiber. But your body can't even use most of that unless you prepare them correctly. Let me break this down. Flax seeds have a tough outer shell your body can't break down. Eat them whole, they'll just go in one end and out the other, without giving you anything useful in between. You're literally flushing your money and the health benefits down the toilet. Plus, there's more. If you're not storing them properly or eating too much at once, you could actually cause digestive distress, hormonal imbalance, or nutrient absorption issues. Let's fix that. Before we get into the details, hit that like button if you're into real, no-fluff health advice, and subscribe for more holistic wellness tips every single week. Let's talk about how to actually eat flax seeds for maximum benefit. 1. Always grind your flax seeds. Here's why. Whole flax seeds. Might as well skip them. Your digestive system can't break through the hard shell. That shell is like armor. Great for keeping the seed intact on a grocery shelf, terrible for absorbing nutrients in your gut. Instead, grind them. Use a coffee grinder, a high-powered blender, or even a mortar and pestle. Once ground, your body can finally absorb the ALA omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant lignans that support heart health, hormone balance, and digestive wellness. Important tip, only grind what you'll use in the next few days. Once ground, flax seeds oxidize fast, meaning their healthy fats turn rancid quickly if not stored right. 2. Never heat ground. Flax seeds, here's where people mess up, big time. You might see flax seeds added to muffins, pancakes, or granola bars. That's fine for texture, but if you're looking for nutrients, heat kills those good omega-3 fats. So if you're tossing flax into baked stuff, just know you're cooking the benefits right out of it. For full benefits, add ground flax to food after cooking. Stir it into yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, or sprinkle it on avocado toast. That way, the nutrients stay intact. 3. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. More isn't always better. While flax seeds are rich in fiber, too much at once can cause bloating, gas, or even constipation, especially if you're not drinking enough water. That's because they contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which bulk up in your digestive tract. Start slow. If you're new to flax, begin with 1 teaspoon per day, then gradually work up to 1 to 2 tablespoons. Drink plenty of water, at least a full glass with each serving. 4. Store flax seeds the right way. This one's simple but critical. Flax seeds contain polyunsaturated fats, which are sensitive to heat, light, and air. Once ground, those fats oxidize quickly, and oxidized fats are bad for your cells, your skin, your heart. You name it. Here's what to do. Whole flax seeds. Store in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. They'll last about a year. Ground flax seeds. Store in the fridge and use within a week or 2. Better yet, buy whole seeds, grind them fresh, and refrigerate immediately. That's how you lock in the nutrients. 5. Know when to avoid flax seeds. Here's the controversial part. Flax seeds contain phytoestrogens, natural plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. In moderate amounts, they can support hormone balance, especially in women going through menopause. But here's the catch. If you have a hormone-sensitive condition, like breast cancer, PCOS, or thyroid issues, talk to your doctor before consuming flax daily. Also, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, flax seeds may not be ideal in high amounts. If you're on blood thinners, flax may increase bleeding risk because it can slightly thin the blood. Bottom line, flax seeds are great, but they're not for everyone, and that's okay. 6. Best ways to eat flax seeds daily. Okay, let's get practical. You know you need ground flax, but how do you actually add it to your meals without making it a chore? Here are some easy, tasty ways to eat flax seeds every day. Morning smoothie. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flax for fiber, omega-3s, and that creamy texture. Oatmeal or overnight oats. Stir it in after cooking. Greek yogurt bowls. Combine with berries, nuts, and honey. Soups or stews. Add flax right before serving. It thickens the texture and boosts nutrition. Homemade energy bites. Mix with dates, oats, nut butter, and flax. Want a product recommendation? Barlin's organic ground flaxseed is cold milled and sealed for freshness. You'll find it in most health food stores or online. If you want to go super fresh, get Bob's Red Mill whole flaxseed, grind a batch at home, and store in a mason jar in the fridge. 7. What happens when you eat flax seeds the right way? Let's talk results. When you eat flax seeds the right way, ground, stored fresh, and in the right amount, you can expect some legit changes. According to a 2016 study in the Journal of Nutrition, daily flax consumption can lower LDL cholesterol, improve blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation markers, improve digestion, even make your skin look and feel better, smoother, more hydrated, thanks to those healthy fats. Health isn't just about what you add to your plate. It's about how your body absorbs it. And that's the entire point here. It's not just about eating flax seeds, it's about absorbing them. Let me say this clearly. If you're spending money on flax seeds and just sprinkling them on food without grinding, you're wasting time, money, and nutrients. But when you prepare them right, grind them, store them correctly, and eat them in moderate amounts, you unlock one of nature's most powerful superfoods. You support your heart, your hormones, your digestion, and even your skin, without needing to pop a single pill. It's one small change that can ripple into big improvements. Let's wrap this up. Here's what you need to remember. Grind flax seeds to unlock the nutrients. Never cook them at high heat. Add after cooking. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons max with plenty of water. Store them right to avoid rancid fats. Talk to your doctor if you have hormone or medication concerns. And finally, be consistent, because that's where the magic happens. Flax seeds don't work overnight, but over time, they can help you feel lighter, more regular, and more energized. If this helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone who thinks they're eating healthy, but might be making these mistakes. And if you want more no-nonsense, science-backed tips like this for real holistic wellness, subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got more coming. Chia, turmeric, pumpkin seeds, you name it. Catch you in the next one. Take care of yourself.